Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix you've already submitted a request error in LinkedIn. If you're seeing the error you've already submitted a request, please try again later on LinkedIn. How to quickly fix it. First, switch to a different browser or use incognito mode. This helps bypass cache issues or problematic extensions. You can also clear your browser cache or disable extensions entirely. Second, try signing in from another device, like your phone or a different computer, as the problem might be tied to one session. Third, log out and back in, or if you're in mobile, reinstall the LinkedIn app to refresh everything. Fourth, temporarily disable VPNs, firewalls, or antivirus tools since they can block LinkedIn's operation. Just remember to re enable them afterward. Lastly, be patient and wait 24 to 48 hours. LinkedIn sometimes rate limits actions like connection requests if you send too many too quickly. Following the steps should get you back on track without the frustration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.